injured bird over there. I'm about to get out and see. It ain't nothing I can do for it. Maybe I should call. Hold on. Yeah, you got an injured bird. We're gonna take a look at it. Looks like a seagull. I don't know what they do for these situations. I'm not gonna mess with it. Look like it has a broken wing. Look at that wing on the bird. Dang, that wing looks backwards. Wow. I mean, let's take a look. Maybe a little motivation. He'll hop up. Maybe pop the wing back in place. Yeah. If a cat sees him, he's out of there. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah, that wing just broke. Boo-booing. Let's go around and see exactly if we can get around them. Let's see. Oh, looks like it's right there. Looks like I can see a little blood. Look, see it? All right, hold on. Let's try to go back around them. It's clearly broken. Kind of look like it's sitting up now. Oh, like he might have been shot. He might have been shot. Take a good look at it. Take a good look at it. Let's see. Okay, little birdie. You can clearly see that it's broken. I'm gonna leave him alone. That's clearly broken. Dang. Dang, I wish somebody could repair him. Maybe somebody will see him and at least he could walk. That wing is twisted. Look how twisted that wing is. Dang, that gotta hurt. Dang, I wish I could help him. Alright, little birdie, I'm sorry I can't help you. Alright. I wonder if I could catch him and take him to the animal clinic. Oh, that's just dangling. Alright guys, I'm out.